Welcome. In this lesson, I'm just going to cover the overview of the dashboard for WordPress. So the first thing that you see when you log into your WordPress is the version of WordPress. WordPress is always updated, so the version is, at the time that I'm doing this video, 6.6.2. Okay, and that's the first thing that you see at glance. If you need to dismiss this, you can actually dismiss that. And then you have screen options. Screen options on your top right corner. You can see the information that you want to see here. You can actually bring back the welcome that you just disabled. And there is the health status of your website. And then if you need to do a quick draft, let's say you need to write an article, you can just draft your ideas there. And then at glance, there is how many posts, how many pages on your website. And again, WordPress is a community as well. They host events in different countries. So depending on the country that you are in, you can actually attend some of these events, of which I've actually done so. And then on the activity, you can see some of the comments. There's some of the comments. And you can collapse these actually if you just want to. And you can move these around if you want to move them in different places. Okay, but really you're not going to be spending a lot of time here. Okay, and right on top of WordPress, this is what is known as an administrator bar. And then on your top left, if you move your mouse over the WordPress logo, you're going to see a lot of options from WordPress itself. And then there is the home icon, which when you move over your mouse there, you can just click to visit the website. And then there is the comments. Here is an icon that says comments. When you get more comments, you're going to be able to see them here. And there's the new button where you can add a new user and other things. Okay, and then on your top right corner, this is where your profile is. If you need to change your password, if you need to add your icon, if you need to log out, you can do that from the top right corner. Again, just below the dashboard option, there is updates. So right now you may not be able to see any updates because everything that I've done is recent. So if there is anything that needs to be updated, it will show here, and then you just click on updates. Okay, and then on below updates, there is posts. This is where you can actually post new blog posts and add categories and tags. And there is media. If you need to add images, videos, PDFs, audios to your website, you can actually do that. And then pages, this is where you can actually add like the home page, about us, and anything in between. So the difference between a page and a post is that a page it's like more like a home page where you post an overview about your business, and about us, you just talk about what your business is and what your website is about, where you come from. But when you're talking about a post, it's more like you giving people updates about your personal brand or your business. Now we have moved offices, and you want to give tips, you want to give tutorials and resources, that's where you use posts. And comments, if you need to check the comments. And then appearance. So the appearance here, you'll be working on the view of your website. There's that option again. And there's the plugins. We're going to dive deep into how plugins work, but that's the option where you can install or uninstall and add new plugins. And users, WordPress allows you to add users to your WordPress backend. And what that does is that you can add an editor, a designer, or another administrator to help you with work. And there is also tools, which we are not going to touch base a lot right now because this is a little bit advanced for beginners. But basically what tools work is you will be able to do some more stuff on your WordPress, whereby you can actually work on like coding a little bit and anything in between. We're going to talk about that as we progress. And then when it comes to settings, there is settings. This is where you set up your preferences for your WordPress, like preferred language. Let me just show you the preferred language and some of the settings that you wanted to change that time when I was installing. If you need to site icon, which we're going to talk about later, and then the time the time frames or the dates format that you want to use, and anything in between. And we're going to be talking about this on a later stage. But again, just click around and see what's there. You don't have to know everything, but just click around and see what's there. And there's also a button to collapse this menu. You can actually do that and then expand. So basically that's about the dashboard for WordPress, and that's all you need to know for now. And we'll be playing around with this a lot, so as time moves on, you are going to be able to understand this in and out. So with that said, please head over to our community and ask questions, share what you have learned today, find someone to give feedback to, and I'll see you in the next lesson.